The second someone mentioned you were all alone, I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know. Hi, and welcome to the channel. So first, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the D minor, composed of the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then you'll have the A sharp major, played with the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then F major, composed of C, F, and A, and with the bass note of F. And final chord, the C major, played with the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you understand the song even better. Since there's no introduction, let's directly begin by the verse. So here's the corresponding table. Take the first chord, D minor, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do the same thing for the other chords. So A sharp major, 1, 2, 3, 4. F major, 1, 2, 3, 4. And C major, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole table should sound like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyrics. The second someone mentioned you were all alone, I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know it's got a hold. And just repeat the table one more time. Just a phone call left unanswered had me sparking up. These cigarettes won't stop me wondering where you are. Don't let go, keep a hold. And repeat, okay? So 4 times in total to complete the verse. Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So for the upcoming chorus, you could keep the same method, but I'm still going to teach you some other way that you can play those chords. So here's the corresponding table, and here's how you're gonna play those chords. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Next chord. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Next chord. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And C major. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And now with the lyrics. 'Cause I will leave the light on. I will leave a light on. I will leave the light on. Okay, and you just repeat this table twice to complete the chorus. And now what you'll need to do is replay everything from the first verse one more time in order to play this song entirely. I wish you good luck, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.